Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your device and app are up to date, because outdated software blocks widgets. Once done, long press a blank area on your home screen until icons jiggle, and then tap the plus or widgets icon to open the picker. You're now in the widget gallery. Scan categories or search for the app you want. Make sure to select the app that provides the widget, since some apps list multiple widget types and sizes. Pick one to continue. You'll choose the widget size next, small, medium, or large, because size affects what content displays. After selecting a size, tap Customize or Edit if available. Set data preferences, refresh interval, or linked account so the widget shows the right info. Then drag the widget preview onto the home screen, move it between icons, and watch how content adapts. If stacking is supported, drop it onto another widget to create a stack, making sure you place it where it won't overlap widgets or folders. You'll finish by releasing the widget to place it, then tap Done or press the Home button to lock layout. Test the widget by tapping it or forcing an update so you confirm functionality. If the widget doesn't appear or shows blank data, first make sure the host app has required permissions, then restart your device and update the app. If problems persist, remove and add the widget again. This usually clears configuration errors and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.